Hi babies. This is the baby that I went to pick up today. Little Frizzle cochin Rooster. Who just did that? Uh-oh. Was that you? That better not have been you. Anyways, I went and picked him up. I guess he's from either Georgia or Tennessee. They said he was 16 weeks, but holy crap, he's tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. This is what I spent my afternoon doing. It was picking him up. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. Look at me. Hey. Hey. Hey, bad hair day. He's going to be adorable. He's going to go into my buff cage. I have a buff lace Polish, and that'll give me a chance with every one of them to have frizzies. And then I've been yelling at these guys because they're being mean. Oh, everybody's going to bed. Okay, I guess it's that time of night. What the fuck? Ladies? Okay. That better have been you crowing a second ago. Because I swear to God, drop kick if you're crowing, I'm not going to be happy. Hey, Roxy. No, no, no. Always make sure the door's closed behind you. And I didn't do it that time. Alright, I'm going to let everybody get settled. My husband and I are working on that smaller cage. Well, I say my husband and I. Who is hollering? Okay.